Today I'm going to show you a couple of things about your new Instant Fisherman fishing rod, how to replace an end eye if you fracture it off, and how to change the handle over from left to right. Firstly though, when you buy an Instant Fisherman, always make sure it's got full metal hinges, top and bottom. If it hasn't got metal hinges, if it's got cheap plastic ones like this, it's probably a cheap copy. That's plastic, light as a feather and liable to break there under stress. This is a metal one, a genuine part, solid as a rock, very heavy, very solid. That's never going to give way under any circumstance. Okay, firstly, you've just been fishing with your Instant Fisherman fishing rod. You're in a hurry to get home, you fold your rod down and you forget to make sure the end part is completely within itself. You fold the handle down and what happens is you fracture or you completely snap off the end eye. You won't realise this of course until next time you go fishing, when you pick up your rod and that's what's happened. So to repair this, quick and easy, you can either buy a new end eye and simply super glue it on. Use super glue because it's waterproof. Over there. Or you can use the existing eye, and what you need to do there is just drill out the old part of the rod there using the correct size drill bit that'll actually fit inside there, like so. Bit fiddly. You'll feel it give way when you get to the end of the rod. Just sand down the end of the old part of the rod there, taking your rough edges off to a little bit of a point. Add a drop of super glue. To the end part there. Push the eye on. Wipe clean and just leave to dry. And that's done. Now, to change the handle over on the Instant Fisherman rod, very simple. Just unscrew the screw on the opposite side. Pull out the screw, pull off the handle. This can be quite stiff at times, so if you swap it over, bearing in mind this is hexagon shaped and has to fit on correctly, it's not round, so make sure it slides on properly all the way down. Screw back in. Nice and tight, but not over tight and has to kill the thread. And there you go. Thank you.